foreign loans are a vital source of capital for many foreign invested companies in Vietnam. And when those loans run for more than 12 months, they are generally classified as long-term foreign loans under Vietnamese regulations. At that point, registration is no longer optional, it is typically required by law. When the registration is handled properly, the loan is legally recognized, repayments proceed smoothly, and banks can process remittances without delay. But when steps are missed or timelines are ignored, companies may face delayed payments, regulatory penalties, or even rejected remittance requests. In this video, we'll walk you through the legal procedures for long-term foreign loan registration in Vietnam, step by step, and how to get it right the first time. The first step is confirming whether your loan qualifies as long-term. The general rule is simple. If the loan term exceeds 12 months, or if any outstanding balance remains after 12 months, the loan will typically be treated as a long-term foreign loan. Even loans originally structured as short-term may become subject to registration if repayment is delayed. So your first checkpoints should be: what is the loan term stated in the agreement? Will any principal remain unpaid after 1 year? If the answer is yes, registration under Vietnam's foreign loan regulations will generally apply. Once registration applies, the next step is preparing the documentation. A standard long-term foreign loan registration dossier usually includes certified enterprise registration documents, the executed foreign loan agreement, a clear statement of loan purpose, a detailed repayment schedule, and documents relating to the designated foreign loan account opened in Vietnam. All documents must be consistent, particularly loan amounts, interest terms, and repayment dates. Any mismatch between the loan agreement and the information declared to the authorities can delay approval or trigger requests for clarification. The entire dossier is submitted electronically through the official system designated by the State Bank of Vietnam. Timing is a critical factor. In most cases, registration must be completed within a statutory timeframe from the initial disbursement or from the date the loan is reclassified as long-term. Missing the registration deadline may result in administrative penalties and additional compliance explanations. That's why early preparation is key. As soon as loan terms are finalized, companies should begin the registration process to avoid unnecessary risk. After submission, the authorities will review the application. If the dossier is complete and consistent, approval may be issued within several working days. If clarification is required, additional documents may be requested. Once approval is granted, companies should carefully retain the registration confirmation. This document is essential for future repayments, interest remittances, reporting obligations, and coordination with Vietnamese banks. In practice, delays often arise from avoidable issues, such as incomplete or inconsistent documentation, incorrect loan account setup, discrepancies between loan terms and declarations, failure to update registered information when loan terms change. These issues can lead to delayed approvals, internal disruption, and blocked transactions at the banking level. At LTS Law Firm, we regularly assist foreign invested companies with long-term foreign loan registration in Vietnam. Our team supports clients by reviewing loan structures and identifying compliance risks, preparing and translating the full registration dossier, submitting filings through the correct regulatory platform, monitoring progress and responding to authority feedback, and advising on post-registration amendments when loan terms change. With proper legal support, companies avoid delays and gain confidence that their financing is fully compliant. Registering a long-term foreign loan in Vietnam does not have to be complicated, but it does need to be done correctly. If your company has an existing foreign loan or is planning one, LTS Law Firm can guide you through every step of the registration process. Visit www.lts.com.vn or contact our legal team for a tailored consultation. Turn your foreign loan into a growth opportunity, not a compliance risk.